Hello everyone, welcome to Interjections Part 1. Interjections is a small topic. It's not a big topic like every other topic in grammar. There's few interjections that you need to look at. They are so common and we need to know their meanings and their usages. Here we've got the first thing here you can discuss or talk about, that is these are words which get uttered, which are spoken out of our mouth at some kind of sudden feelings, right? That means the events on which we have these words uttered, we don't have control over these words. They are naturally, automatically uttered out. Or movements, events you can talk about, like hurrah, huzzah, awe. These all indicate joy, a kind of happiness. Or alas, alag, that these all indicate grief, some kind of sadness. While that indicate amusement. While bravo, approval, right? You accept something, you put your hands together for something. That's bravo, right? Somebody outperforms something. For that case, you can say bravo. While this is you can use for weariness. Weariness means tiredness. In the same way, these all can be used to indicate attention, right? While this is used for reproof. Reproof means you are just showing some kind of expression to a person who is telling you something. You just want him to repeat that thing, to speak with logic or reasons, right? These are some kinds of tricks we use. While these all can be used to call someone in doubt, okay, to make somebody feel that he is doubtful in your eyes. For these kinds of conjunctions, okay, we can use for doubt then. So this is a very small topic of conjunctions. I hope this is clear. Subscribe our channel to get more videos regarding part of speech, and we shall be welcoming your all questions in the comment box. Thank you.